Hi dear students, let's start our new lesson acids, bases and salts. One of the ways of finding out whether a substance is acidic or basic is use something known as an acid-base indicator. Let's do an experiment to find out whether the given solutions are acidic or basic. Let's take few yellow colored paper strips. Let's drop few drops of solution on a strip and we can see the paper turning red. How did the paper turn red? It's a detector test and it tells us whether the solution is acidic or basic. But how does this paper tells us the nature of the solution? Here, the yellow paper strip acts as an indicator. An indicator is a substance that gives different colors in acids and bases. This yellow paper strip is a blotting paper with turmeric applied to it. Turmeric is an excellent indicator to detect the acidic or basic nature of the solutions. Alkaline or basic solutions turn turmeric into a reddish brown color. And what about acids? Acids have no color change when tested with turmeric. The color of turmeric, which is yellow, remains unchanged. The next indicator is China rose juice. How can we make indicator from China rose? Add some hot water to the petals of China rose in a beaker and let it rest for some time. This solution can be used as an indicator. When drops of China rose juice is added to an acidic solution, the color of the solution turns red, and when added to base, the color of the solution turns green. The next indicator is litmus paper, a substance extracted from the lichen's body called litmus. It's used as natural indicator. Litmus paper is a finger-sized strip of paper soaked in litmus solution and dried. Two colors of litmus papers are usually available: red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. The red litmus paper, when comes in contact with an acid, it does not change color but turns blue in base. The blue litmus paper turns red in acid but remains unchanged in base. Uses of acids and bases. Let's discuss some important uses of acids. Sulfuric acid and nitric acid are used for manufacturing fertilizers, chemicals, explosives, paints, dyes, drugs, etc. Hydrochloric acid is used for tanning and painting industry. Citric acid is used in medicines, source of vitamin C, and flavoring drinks, etc. Acetic acid is used for flavoring and preserving food. Some important uses of bases. Sodium hydroxide is used for manufacturing soap. Calcium hydroxide is used for manufacturing bleaching powder, softening of hard water, neutralizing acid in the soil and in water supplies. Magnesium hydroxide is used as an antacid to neutralize acidity caused by hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Aluminium hydroxide is used as forming agent in the fire extinguisher. Ammonium hydroxide is used to remove grease stains from clothes. Potassium hydroxide is used in alkaline batteries. Now let's learn about salt. Do you know what will happen when acidic and alkaline solutions are mixed together? It will produce salt and water. When an acid combines with an alkali, will always give us salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. For example, formation of sodium chloride, that is common salt. When hydrochloric acid is combined with the sodium hydroxide, we will get sodium chloride and water is obtained as byproduct. Uses of salts. Let's learn the uses of some salts. Sodium chloride. It's used as preservative for meat, fish, etc. It's used for the manufacture of chlorine, hydrochloric acid, washing soda, caustic soda, etc. Sodium carbonate. It's commonly known as washing soda. It's used in laundry for washing clothes, for making glass, etc. Sodium bicarbonate. It's commonly called as baking soda. It's used as baking powder in baking industries. It's used in medicines to neutralize the acidity in the stomach. It's also used in fire extinguisher. Potassium nitrate. It's used in the manufacturing of gunpowder, fireworks, fertilizers, etc. Potash alum. It's commonly known as Fitkiri. It's used in purification of water, dyeing and tanning leather, etc. Thank you, dear students. The lesson is completed.